We got here another yard to do today, or what?
Yeah, this is the president of our neighborhood, Morris Landing Preserve.
Yep.
And we're gonna mow his lawn today and show you some landscaping we did. And he's got a bi-weekly mow, so we're gonna try to knock this out and do this yard today.
Right on. Not too hot today, but it's gonna creep up there, huh?
Yeah, it's a blazing one today. 98 degrees.
That's why I hire you, man.
Exactly.
I'm gonna sit at home and sip my sweet tea. What we got here with your landscaping, you're going to show me some of the work you've done here.
Yes, some of this landscaping we did. We put this rock and these plants here, and the palm trees are already here. And this is just some of the plants that we do in the front. We had to pull the grass out, get the sod cutter and cut the grass out and put all the rock and the weed barrier and the plants, and now they're looking pretty good right here.
So what kind of plants usually grow well out here? What kind of stuff do you put in here?
Well, you gotta put things that go with palms and just greenery and something that lasts all year, because these plants will come back every year.
So what survives the humid climate? I mean, this North Carolina's get kind of unique. You know, you get humidity, you get heat, subtropical weather. You know, some things will grow here that won't grow in other states, and some things will die here probably too, right? So.
Oh yeah, some of the plants are just not, they don't come back, but the humidity will make them bloom real nice, like these yellow flowers over there.
Yeah.
They're real bright because of the humidity. It makes them come out bloom real nice.
So are these just bushes, like trees? Is anything going to grow into a bigger tree in the future here? Anything of these plants that are getting going on?
No, these will stay like this, maybe just a little bit bigger, but that's about it. Because you want it to be small so you see the house.
Right, right. You don't want to lose this thing. Well, that's pretty cool, buddy. Well, that's nice. So you did all the rock and set up the lighting?
Me and the homeowner and the president, we did all this together.
Nice. Looks great.